How to turn on or turn off live translate in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button. From the menu, tap on the Settings button. Then tap on Live Translate. From here, go to the top and tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Live Translate. With Live Translate, you can get real-time translation during calls. Tap the Call Assist button, then select Live Translate on the encode screen anytime you start translating. And after that, you can tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.